Hey, so it is freezing. Fall has finally arrived. It was actually snowing just a second ago. So it's time to get in gear and do a little bit of greenhouse housekeeping. I'm going to be picking the rest of the dried beans that I had in here, tearing down some cucumbers. I'm not going to get it all done today, but I'm going to start. We've been getting our first frosts, but inside the greenhouse, things are still growing. So dahlias are still in bloom. I've got lots of tomatoes to harvest. Big pile of chard is coming home with me today. Lots and lots. Oh, this was my only surviving pepper plant, you guys, which was sad, but it is loaded. So it's going to be time to harvest those, even though none of them turned red. That doesn't mean that they're non-usable. So I'll just harvest all of these cayenne peppers green and trim that plant back, and I'm going to try to overwinter it. That'll be fun and new to me this year. Yeah, I started clearing out some of these cucumbers. It is time for them to go. I've got a bunch of overgrown cucumbers in there because I just stopped harvesting, maybe a month ago, honestly. I stopped harvesting after I got my 4 gallons of pickles. So all of those are not going to go to waste, though. I'm going to haul the vines, the cucumbers, all of it up to my sister's house and feed them to our cute little piggies that live at her house. So yeah, it's a little bit of what's going on. The nasturtiums in bloom. Everything still looks so happy in here. And everything outside of the greenhouse has definitely decided that it's time to drop the leaves and time to be winter. So kind of fun little change of pace stepping into the greenhouse where everything is still growing. But alas, time to start tearing down and getting ready for fall.